wondered what a social media manager actually does all day? Is it just posting reels and replying to the comments? Not even close. This role now has over 33,000 open jobs globally and an average salary of 6 lakhs rupees a year. And it's one of the most in-demand roles in the marketing, advertising, and e-commerce today. So let's follow a typical day in the life of social media manager. And by the end, I'll show you exactly which skills you need to land this role, plus where to grab the complete roadmap for free. Yes, for free. Let's get into the day in the life of a social media manager. Follow this video, it will be very interesting, trust me. 9 a.m. The day starts with checking overnight performance. Which post got the most reach? Which one flopped? A social media manager pulls up analytics, reach, impressions, engagement rate, and compares it against yesterday's benchmark. This is where analytics skills comes in. Knowing how to read a dashboard and spot a trend early is what separates a manager from someone who just posts and hopes for the best. 10:30 a.m. Time to plan. The team sits down to build or upgrade the content calendar, deciding what goes out this week, on which platform and why. A reel for Instagram, a thought leadership post for LinkedIn, a trending sound for TikTok. This needs calendar management and platform knowledge. Understanding that content which works on Instagram might completely miss on LinkedIn. 12 p.m. Now it's caption and copy time. Every platform has its own tone. LinkedIn needs a professional, value-driven voice. Instagram needs something punchy and visual. X needs sharp and shorter hooks. Writing a strong caption with a clear call to action is the skill on its own. And it's one of the first things employers test for. 1:30 p.m. Lunch. But the phone doesn't stop. Comments and DMs are coming in. A social media manager checks in on the community management, replying to the questions, handling a complaint, engaging with followers who tag the brand. This builds real audience connection and it directly affects brand loyalty and trust. 3 p.m. A campaign post from last week isn't performing as expected. So now it's investigation time. What is the timing? The format, the caption, the manager digs into the data, compares it to the similar post that did well, and figures out what to fix. This is performance analytics in action. Using data not just to report, but to actually improve the next move. 4:30 p.m. Time to think about paid promotion. Should this post be boosted? What's the target audience? What's the budget? The social media managers work with paid and organic growth together, blending boosted posts with natural reach to get the best result. Now, 5:30 p.m. Before wrapping up, there's a quick sync with the designer or the video team about tomorrow's content, and the short report goes out to stakeholders. What worked today, what's planned next. That's the wrap of the day. But look at everything that happened. Strategy, writing, data, community, paid ads, and teamwork, all in a single day. This is how a day looks like in the life of social media manager. And if you also want to become one, but don't know where to start, then we have created a complete detailed roadmap just for you. Just hold on. Be with me and I will show you where you can find it. So now let's answer another question. What skills do you need for this role? First, the platform knowledge. Knowing the differences between Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, X, and YouTube. Second, copywriting. Writing captions, hooks, and CTAs that actually get people to act. Third, analytics. Reading engagement rate, reach, and click-through data to guide decisions, not just report them. Fourth, community management. Real conversations with real followers, handled with brand voice consistency. And the fifth stage, paid social basics, knowing how to run and optimize boosted posts and ads alongside organic content. Now talking about the salaries, important part, right? So a social media executive starts around 1.8 to 3.3 lakhs a year. Move up to social media manager and it jumps to 5.5 to 6.5 lakhs, growing 13% annually. Reach senior social media manager and you are looking up to 8.87 lakhs a year, growing 17% annually. If this day in the life and salaries just got you excited about this career, here's the good news. You don't need to figure out the right order on your own. I have put together the complete social media manager roadmap covering platform, foundations, copywriting, analytics, portfolio, building, and specialization. And it's completely free. Yes, it's free. Now answering where you will find it. So it is waiting for you right there in the description box given below. Just click the link in the description box to grab it. If you found this helpful, then subscribe to the channel, save this video, and share it with someone thinking about a career in social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.